Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Maths with Yasir Arafat, and we have the second lecture to find out the inverse function here. Here, the function f of x minus x plus 9 power 3, it is given. So let's suppose that f of x is equals to y and x is equals to f inverse y. Write down the question again here. F of x is equals to minus x plus 9 power 3. So what is the value of f of x? We have to suppose that it is equals to y. So just we have to put the value of y here. We have discussed in my first lecture to find out the derivative. When we have to put the value f of x, it is equal to y, then we have to subtract x there. So here it is minus x plus 3 power 3, and we have to separate x here. So just we have to take out the cube root on both sides. So this 3 will cancel out to this one, and this is y power 1 upon 3 minus x plus 9. We have to subtract x here, so we have to shift this x here. So this is 9 minus y power 1 upon 3. So what is the value of x here? X, it is equals to f inverse of y. So this is f inverse of y. It is equals to y 1 upon 3. Now we have to put the value of x equals to y is equals to x. So this is f inverse x, it is equals to 9 minus x 1 upon 3. So this is the inverse function of f of x, it is equals to minus x plus 9 power 3. So this is the inverse here. Now we have to discuss another question here. We have to discuss another question here, that is f of x, it is equals to 3x cube plus 7. So here this is, again we have to find out the inverse function. So this is f of x, it is equals to 3x cube plus 7. So again we have to suppose that f of x, it is equals to y, and when we have to find out the value of x, so this f become inverse of y, that is equals to x. Now come to this question again. F of x, it is equals to 3x cube plus 7, and what is the f of x here? F of x, it is equals to y. So this is 3x cube plus 7. So when we have to put the value of y there, then we have to subtract x. So this plus 7, we have to shift to the left hand side, becomes minus 7. We have to shift this 3 here, because we have to subtract x here. So this is x cube. Y minus 7 over 3. We need x, so take out the cube root on both sides. So this is y minus 7 over 3 whole power 1 upon 3. That is equals to x 3 1 upon 3. So this is, this 3 here will cancel out to this one. So this is y minus 7 over 3 whole power 1 upon 3, that is equals to x. x is equals to y minus 7 over 3 whole power 1 upon 3. So what is the value of x? X, it is equals to f inverse y. So this is f inverse y, it is equals to y minus 7 upon 3 whole power 1 upon 3. So put y is equals to x. So this is here x minus 7 over 3 whole power 1 upon 3. This is the inverse function of this question. That is 3x cube plus 7. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.